Good morning. Let us continue our topic rational numbers. Rational numbers, numbers in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. There is a difference between fraction and rational number. In fraction, P upon Q, both are natural number. It means positive number. But in rational numbers, P and Q both can be negative, positive, and P can also be 0. Let us start our new question, ascending order. Arranging rational number in increasing order are called arranging in ascending order. We first write smaller number, then greater, and then greater. For example, first of all, see whether they are in proper form or not. It means there should not be negative sign in denominator. Here both are positive. Here denominator is positive. Here also denominator is positive. Next step, finding LCM of denominators. LCM of 3, 5 and 10 is 30. Now divide our LCM by denominator, previous denominator, and multiply the quotient by the numerator. जो भी हमारा LCM आया है हम उसे डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करेंगे. डिवाइड करके जो आंसर आएगा उससे न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 30 डिवाइड बाय 3 इज 10. 10 इंटू 2 इज 20. 30 डिवाइड बाय 5 इज 6. 6 इंटू -2 इज -12. 30 डिवाइड बाय 10 इज 3. 3 into -3 is -9. Now see which is the smallest one. -12 upon 30 is the smallest one. After that -9 upon 30 and greatest one is 20 upon 30. जो भी पॉजिटिव नंबर होगा वो नेगेटिव नंबर से हमेशा बड़ा होगा. Now write in previous form. It means -2 upon 5, -3 upon 10 and 2 upon 3. One more. First of all, make denominator positive. -4 upon 15. Here denominator is negative and numerator is positive. Make denominator positive. By multiplying numerator and denominator by -1, we can make it positive. Or simply you shift this negative sign upside. -7 upon 5. In the same way, -2 upon 3. Now LCM of denominator 15, 5 and 3. It will be 15. 15 divide by 15 is 1 and 1 multiply -4 is -4. 15 divide by 5 is 3. 3 into -7 is -21. 15 divide by 3 is 5. 5 into -2 is -10. Now see the smallest one. -21 upon 15 is the smallest one. After that minus 10 upon 15, and minus 4 upon 15 is the greatest one. Now write in the previous form 7 upon minus 5, after that 2 upon minus 3, and then minus 4 upon 50. Now next, number line. Representation of rational number on number line. In number line, we write positive number on the right side and negative number on the left side. राइट साइड का नंबर लेफ्ट साइड के नंबर से हमेशा बड़ा होगा. -1 इज ग्रेटर देन -2, 0 इज ग्रेटर देन -1, 1 इज ग्रेटर देन 0, 2 इज ग्रेटर देन 1. नाउ 3 upon 4. We have to represent 3 upon 4 on this number line. 3 upon 4, it lies between 0 and 1. We will divide this space in 4 parts according to denominator. We just mark 3 points between 0 and 1. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, and 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is required. 3 upon 4. This is our answer. Seven upon 3. Just convert it into mixed number. We will write it 2 whole 1 upon 3. It means 2 complete and 1 upon 3 part. For example, I had given you 2 whole 1 upon 3 chocolates. It means 2 complete chocolates and 1/3 part of third one. अगर मैंने आपको 2 whole 1 upon 3 चॉकलेट दी है, इसका मतलब है मैंने आपको 2 चॉकलेट पूरी दी है. उसके अलावा थर्ड चॉकलेट के 3 टुकड़े करके उसमें से 1 पार्ट आपको दिया है और 2 upon 3 पार्ट यानी 2 पार्ट मेरे पास है. नाउ शो इट दिस ऑन नंबर लाइन. It means this is more than 2 and less than 3. See this one, whole part. Here we have 2. It means this number lie between 2 and 3. जो भी आगे नंबर आएगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि किन दो नंबर्स के बीच में आएगा. आगे 2 है यानी ये 2 और उससे नेक्स्ट होता है 3. 2 और 3 के बीच में आएगा. 2 whole 1 upon 3. Now see this fractional part. Here denominator is 3. So we divide it into 3 parts. 2 मार्क लगाने से इसके 3 पार्ट्स हो जाएंगे. 1 part, 2 part, and this will be third part. Now mark it 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is required, so mark this. This is 2 whole 1 upon 3. If in negative this is given, again write in the same form. It will be 1 whole 3 upon 4. Here negative sign is given, so we will mark on the left side of 0. It is not compulsory that we will show 0 in the center. 0, -1, -2. Here we have 1. So we will mark it between 1 and 2. नेगेटिव साइन इज गिवन, सो -1 एंड -2, ये नंबर हम बनाएंगे -1 और -2 के बीच में। इसके हम करेंगे 4 पार्ट्स बिकॉज अवर डिनोमिनेटर इज 4. It will be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, -1 whole 3/4 और -7/4. नेगेटिव नंबर्स में जब हम लिखते हैं तो हम इस पोजीशन में लिखते हैं, राइट टू लेफ्ट, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. और अगर पॉजिटिव नंबर हम लिखते हैं, पॉजिटिव में हमें लिखना है तो हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, लेफ्ट टू राइट, 1/3, 2/3, 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, in this way. Now next, comparison. Let us compare which one is greater. Now see, first of all, make denominator positive. -3/2 and -9/4. अगर दोनों नेगेटिव है तो हम उसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, अगर डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव है तो हम उसको न्यूमरेटर में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. नाउ बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, -3 into 4 and -9 into 2, -12 and -18. -12 is greater, it means -3/2 is greater than 9/-4. Next, finding a rational number between two numbers. -3, -2. Suppose these two numbers are given and we have to find one rational number between these two numbers. We are having two methods. Let us see the first one. Just add these two numbers and divide it by 2. It will be -5/2. It means -5/2 lies between -3 and -2. Second method, write these number in fractional form and then if we have to find one rational number, multiply these numbers by 2. -3 into 2, 1 into 2, -2 into 2 and 1 into 2, -6/2 and -4/2, and between these two numbers -5/2 lies. सबसे पहले हम इसको ऐसे रैशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, P/Q की फॉर्म में. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे डिनोमिनेटर हमारा सेम होना चाहिए. हेयर वी हैव 1, हेयर वी हैव 1, डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम. हमें जितने रैशनल नंबर निकालने होते हैं हम उससे एक ज़्यादा नंबर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. हमें एक रैशनल नंबर निकालना है तो हम दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अब जो भी हमारा नंबर आएगा उसके बीच का रैशनल नंबर हम लिख देंगे. See one more. denominators are different. Take LCM. Solve this. It becomes minus 9 upon 12 and minus 8 upon 12. Suppose we have to find 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. What we have to do? We just multiply these two numbers by 11. Minus 9 into 11 upon 12 into 11 and minus 8 into 11 upon 12 into 11. It becomes minus 99 upon 132 and minus 88 upon 132. Now we can write 10 rational number between these two numbers. Minus 98 upon 132, minus 97 upon 132, up to minus 87 upon 132. We have 10 rational numbers between these two numbers.